find a new rival.
Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, welcome back to Sunday Night on the Sticks. Today, we decided not to play footsies. However, we are going to play Garou Mark of the Wolves.
Yeah. This is an absolute classic from SNK, guys. It is, like I've said before, it's basically the third strike version of like a KOF game. So, yeah, me and Hacker here to play some matches. And yeah, see what this game's all about. I haven't played this in a while. I remember like a couple little things, but not a whole lot, so.
Yeah, it's been a while since I played it as well. Alright, so let's see, this meter here, what does this do?
Alright, so the way this works in this game is that little bar is part of your life bar, right? And depending on where it is on your life bar, you get a basically damage boost within that section of your life bar. So if you have it towards the bottom of your life, when you get low on life and it breaks into this, it's kind of like a, it's kind of like a chance to do more damage to basically get yourself back into the round. However, if you're confident in your skills and want to like dominate another player real quick, some people will put it at the top of their life bar here.
Indeed.
So they do more damage right out the gate. So it really just depends on your play style, really.
So right here is like a thrash mechanic. This is like a I don't really care, and this is like I want to be a comeback kid.
Yeah, exactly.
Gotcha.
Exactly.
All right. Oh, I want to be a comeback kid.
Okay, I'm gonna follow suit with you on that.
All right. Butt cat.
God, like little kids.
Which is funny because he seems like he's from Latin America with a name like Gato.
Oh yeah, being cat.
Oh, okay, add a little dash in there. Nice. That was pretty cool. Oh no!
Oh my god. Oh, that was cool.
I didn't know what it was gonna do, but okay. Now I know. Oh, okay. Oh, that would have been so cool.
Shit.
Yeah.
I was waiting for the jump.
Dude, I forgot. This game does feel really good to play, man. Like I said, it's been a while, but...
Yeah.
Oh.
Alright, I can't do that one anymore. Nice. Dang.
Damn, I know it got quiet there for a second, guys, but... That was in a very focused state there.
Right?
Pretty much took everything I had. So once you get past that bar, though, does your boost end?
Yeah.
Oh, I remember how much I hate her.
Yeah.
Yep.
Oh,
what in
damn
that world is that? Oh, that's that grab. Oh, right in the booter. Alright. If you had a thing for him, just say so.
Yeah, Kevin's her man. I hate that.
Bro, that is
fucking
such
move.
a dumb move. Oh my god.
It works so well though, right?
I mean, so far, yeah. How do I... No. Oh, Lord.
Dude, that was awesome, man.
Whoa, bro. He's mean. You gotta do that to some little girl.
Fuck.
Oof. Holy crap. He's a weird character, man.
Yeah,
I think it's cool.
everybody in this is super unique from one another, except for 2 characters. Wow, that did a fuck ton of damage.
Ooh. Oh.
Nice. Good shit.
Yeah, dude. Honestly, I haven't found a character that I don't like playing with yet.
Yeah.
Oh, God. Oh, Lord.
Dang.
Yeah, I didn't.
I started fighting pretty good there. I think circle is like a greener color. Oh, nice.
Yeah, that's a parry. Alright. There you go. Have some of that. Oh. Yeah. That was gross.
Oh, damn. Oh, nice.
I was saying these guys gotta have some air moves or something. Guess not.
Yeah, I don't know if he does or not. Oh, that cross under to overhead.
Yeah, that was pretty dope actually.